understand if you are thinking to do your Atomy business, I want you to understand why do we need to do the Atomy business right now. So this is my presentation and I hope it will also give you knowledge or some wisdom if you are still maybe thinking 50-50, maybe should I do the Atomy business or should I not do the Atomy business? What can I get from Atomy business? So on and so forth. And I'm going to do my best to share to you why do you need to do the Atomy business right now. So let us begin with a brief strategic overview. Again, I would like to welcome everyone. We have 8 million viewers on Facebook right now. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for investing your time with us. So, in this presentation, guys, we're going to explore a very important question. I have been mentioning it over and over. Why why is right now the perfect time to start the Atomy business for you and for me? There are countless business opportunities out there, as we know, but Atomy stands out because of its unique timing, global position, and future ready business model. As we all know, the world is changing quickly. It changes economically, technologically, especially the AI is really, really booming right now and of course socially. And Atomy is aligned with these shifts in a powerful way. We will explore that later on. Over the next few slides, I will walk you through the key reasons why this moment is especially strategic for anyone considering entrepreneurship, extra income, or long-term financial freedom. We will look at the following: Atomy's global expansion and stability, the rise of high quality, affordable products that consumers actually want, the low risk entry, which makes this business accessible to anyone, and finally, the current digital momentum and timing advantage that gives early movers a huge benefit. So by the end of this presentation, I believe we will all clearly see why now is the most advantageous time to take action with Atomy. Now, let us talk about the global growth of Atomy. Atomy is no longer just a local brand, right? It's a global movement. As I've shown you a while ago, we are already available to 56 plus countries, and Atomy is still focused on developing new countries globally. So as I've said a while ago as well, the sky is only the limit because we have a huge market potential around the world. So right now, Atomy is experiencing one of the fastest international expansions in the network marketing industry. The company has entered multiple continents, as I said, continents, Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Oceania and continues to open to new countries every year. So this kind of global accessibility creates enormous opportunity for members because your business is not limited only to your own country. Anyone around the world can join under you and purchase products through Atomy's online platform. So right now, if you're already doing the Atomy, that's why we are so crazy to find new customers to share the benefits of our products because we believe that everyone should be experiencing the quality of our products at such an affordable price. What's powering this global growth is the strong, consistent demand for Atomy products. The company doesn't rely on hype or trends. It grows because consumers actually love the products and reorder them. It's true, right? People starts to do the business because first they love the products. If we don't like the products, like for my example for myself, if I don't like the products, I will not do the Atomy business as well because yeah, duh, I don't like the products. Why should I share it to others if I myself don't like to use the product, right? But when a brand becomes known for high quality and reliability, expansion becomes natural and sustainable. Another key point of Atomy is starting with S, of course, stability. Atomy's corporate structure, compensation system, and training platforms have been proven over many years. This reduces the risk for new distributors, and you're not only joining a company that is still testing its business model, but you're joining one that has already shown long-term success. So if you are already doing Atomy business for like 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, you have seen the growth of Atomy business. Atomy Europe alone is growing 220% per year. Can you imagine that? It's really a huge, huge growth and a huge potential for those that are thinking to do the Atomy business here in Europe. So, what does it mean for us? What does it mean for you? It means that you are stepping into a business that already has momentum. You don't have to build everything from scratch. The global wave is already moving, and all you have to do is to ride with it, of course. People who join during the growth phase before a market fully matures tend to benefit the most in the long run. So, meaning to say, if you decide to do the Atomy business right now, you are still going to be considered one of the pioneers of Atomy business. Now, in this slide, one of the biggest reasons Atomy continues to grow is because the products truly stand out. Atomy's success is not built on hype, as I've said, it's built on quality. The company follows its core principle of absolute quality and absolute price, meaning that the products must meet two standards. They must be high quality and they also must be affordable for everyday consumers. This combination is very rare in the marketplace, which Atomy offers a wide range of flagship products such as Hemohim, as we all know and we are using. We also have a wide range of skincare products, health supplements, and daily household items that have already gained massive, massive popularity worldwide. So these products are backed by research, of course. We have our partner, Kerry and Colmar B&H, advanced technology and manufacturing partnership with reputable labs in Korea. So let me just give you an example, guys. I know in Zoom we already know about our technology, but our friends who are listening right now or who are tuned in right now in Facebook doesn't know that the technology of other our products are from Kerry. What is Kerry? It is a government-funded Korean institute in South Korea, Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. So this is not just an ordinary technological company, but this is a government funded one. And as we all know that the technology in South Korea is one of the fastest, most developed technology all over the world. And we are so happy and privileged that our technology comes from this facility. So, what makes this even more powerful is how customers naturally become repeat buyers because, of course, from the quality of our products. Unlike unlike any other business models where people buy products once just to support a friend, it often happens. Atomy members reorder because they genuinely love the value they get from the product. This customer loyalty creates a stable foundation for our business, of course. And affordable pricing also helps you reach a much wider audience. People do not need to be wealthy to purchase Atomy products. They're priced for real families, real household, and real budgets. This makes sharing and recommending them much easier. So, for those on Facebook, let me just give you an example. If you purchase a one pack of toothpaste from Atomy Europe website for 1 kilo or 5 tubes times 200 grams of propolis toothpaste. Propolis toothpaste is very good antibacterial toothpaste, and it also serves as an antibiotic for our gums and our teeth. And can you imagine, for 1 kilo toothpaste, 5 tubes of 200 grams, it will only cost you 18 euros and 50 cents. So if you are living alone by yourself, I think this 18 euros and 50 cents supply of toothpaste will already be your supply for at least 8 to 10 months. So that is really affordable yet amazing quality products, right? Now, one of the biggest advantages of the Atomy business is how incredibly easy it is to get started. Unlike many business models that require large investments, expensive starter kits, or monthly purchase requirements, Atomy removes all of those barriers. Membership is completely free. So if you're not yet decided to do the business, to have your own customer account, you don't need to pay anything. You zero, like it's for free. And if you decide to become a distributor later on, you can just simply convert your account into distributor without having any charges. So it's absolutely for free. So, which means, what does it mean for us, for you and me? Which means there is absolutely no financial risk to join the Atomy business. Unlike any other companies out there, before you can even enter, you have to pay a, large amounts of euros before you even have your own account. So anyone, regardless of uh, income background or experience can step into this business without worrying about losing money. Another major benefit is that Atomy has no mandatory monthly purchase. So which means that Atomy will not actually tell you, okay, every month you have to purchase this kind of amount of products so that you can retain your account. No, of course there's no mandatory purchases. It's up to you. When do you like to purchase a product? What type of product do you want to purchase? So say for example, I was talking about the toothpaste. Say for example, at the beginning, you wanted to test the goodness of Atomy products, and you just wanted to try a simple toothbrush or a simple toothpaste. That's not a problem. Atomy will not tell you, okay, why did you not try a skincare? Why only toothpaste? Of course not, because you are independent, or you have the freedom to choose what type of product you wanted to try. Okay. And Atomy is, as I've said, not requiring you to purchase a huge amount of products every month just to retain your account. Atomy doesn't pressure you financially. Instead, it encourages natural product consumption at your own pace. So, which means that if you decide to do your Atomy business, the speed of your business is upon you. So, you are deciding how fast would you like to have or to do your Atomy business, how successful you would like to have your Atomy business in such a short period of time, or let's say long period of time, if you are really working on stability, okay, of your business. So this makes the business feel comfortable, honest, and sustainable because of these low barriers. Atomy is an excellent fit for the following people: students, because they have time and they need extra money, and Atomy, they can do it on the side while they are studying, and then they can have commissions from Atomy by recommending our products. Also for stay-at-home parents, people with full-time jobs, some retirees, anyone wanting to earn extra income, or part-time individuals who want to test the waters before committing fully. It allows you to grow at a pace that feels right for you. You can start slow, learn the system, build your network gradually, and increase your efforts over time. This low risk, high opportunity environment is one of the reasons people feel confident recommending Atomy to family and friends. There's no pressure and no burden, just a simple, fair chance to build something meaningful for the future. Now, I'm excited for this slide because right now is one of the most powerful moments to take action because the world is shifting. And Atomy is perfectly aligned with that shift. Let me explain to you why. Okay, so consumers today are rapidly moving toward online shopping or what we call the e-commerce, right? People want what? We want convenience, fast delivery, trusted brands, and affordable products. And Atomy's business model was built for this digital era long before the shift became mainstream. So we already have the movement even before it became viral, so to say. That means you're not trying to catch up with the trends. The business is already ahead of the trend. Atomy's digital tools and e-commerce platform make it incredibly easy for members to grow, even if they don't have technical skills. As yes, you don't really need to have a master's degree or a doctorate's degree or maybe a bachelor's degree to start the Atomy business, as long as you are willing to learn how the system works and willing to learn about our products, then there's definitely a room for you to do the Atomy business. So your job is our job, distributor's job is of course to simply share the products and connect people. This low maintenance structure makes it possible to build a business from your phone, from your tablet, from your computer, anywhere at any time. So even I just arrived today from Canada. My flight was 4 hours delayed in Montreal. And while I was in Montreal, I was talking to a lot of people there. We've connected, and now I'm gonna have some business partner, for example, in Africa or in Canada, so on and so forth. And even if I am here in Belgium, I could communicate to them just by using my phone, and we could do our business just by communicating via messenger, right? So in every country, there is a before and after moment before the brand becomes widely known and after it becomes saturated. So right now, many regions are still in the early growth phase. So just like Europe. Europe, it's not only one countries, it's 20 plus countries available. So can you imagine if you have a lot of friends from different how do you say from different countries here in Europe, just like in United States, if you have some friends from different states in the United States, then your consumers, your distributors, it's really unlimited opportunity. So if I were you, think now before it's too late. Okay, but it will never be too late because Atomy is continuing to expand and expand and expand more and more countries around the world. So that means that you have the opportunity to build a strong foundation before the market becomes crowded. People who position themselves early often benefit the most. The networks you build today will grow as the brand glows globally. You're not just joining a company, you are stepping into a long term wave of digital expansion. This is not just a good time. As I've said, this now is not just a good time, but the best time to start your Atomy business. Who knows, in the next 2 to 3 years, there will be lots of jobs unavailable anymore because of the technological advancement. So think about your future in the next 3 to 4 years or 3 to 5 years. If you will be jobless, how will you be able to support your family until your grandchildren, right? So, what I can advise you if you are still having your active income right now, support it for your future passive income and build your Atomy business right now, because Atomy's growth is really, really advancing around the world. And if you wanted to be part of the growth, we are here to guide you. Just simply send us a message, and I myself will really be very happy to share to you everything that I know about Atomy. And of course, I want to guide you along the way in starting your Atomy business. So think twice and enjoy the Atomy business later on. So